Hey guys, Matt from Eastwood. We're here in my home garage talking about some of my favorite products. So today what I'm going to show you guys is my new favorite sander. This is the 2-inch surface prep tool that takes a roll-lock type sanding abrasive, and you can use it to get in tight areas because of the small sanding disc. So I'm going to show you a couple spots around on my Model T project where it's come in really handy. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys my other favorite thing about the 2-inch surface prep tool that we were just showing you guys. The big thing is, coupled with my QST compressor, it's so much quieter. This tool is just a lot quieter when you're using it. So I have just a standard die grinder, which is what I would use in the past with the attachment on it with a roll-lock. And I'm going to let you guys hear the sound difference between using the two of these. Wow. Now, surface prep tool. The sound is a lot quieter in it. It's just as powerful, but just having that quieter sound, I can hear my music, and with the QST compressor combined, I'm able to get a nice, quiet, kind of, if you will call it, pleasant sound that makes it a lot better to work in the shop, especially when you're prepping a lot of parts like this when you're about to make something. Alright, so that's a 2-inch surface prep tool, and you can see how handy it is to have this tool. I've been using this thing more and more throughout my projects because it's nice to have a dedicated sander where I don't need to change out the ends like I would with a die grinder. So having this tool around has really saved me some time, and also, like I mentioned, it's a much quieter, so it's nice to be able to hear your music even while you're sanding. To check out this product, you can visit the link down below, or you can click eastwood.com to get all the tools that you need to do the job right.